So you picked up your brand new Audi RS3 and you want to get rid of the box? Well, like most modern Audis, the bumper needs to come off. Let me explain. So to get rid of the box, there's two options. Option one, ask your dealer really nicely. They can take it off for you before you pick up the car. They'll remove the bumper, take out the screws, and also recalibrate your sensors. Option two, you've collected the car and it's already on there. If you're going to get your car detailed, a detailer is a good place to go because they're used to taking off parts very carefully and reassembling it for you. Once the box is off, all you got to do is mark out the holes, which is just the ones in the middle there. You can screw on your bracket and you're ready to mount your number plate. The best way to drill the hole is to mask up the front of the car, measure top to bottom and left to right so it's center, and drill it with the smallest drill bit you have, which is typically a 3mm drill bit. Now that I've drilled out my holes, I can mount my bracket using the screws provided, but I've also added little spaces so it's slightly off the car so you don't scratch the grille. Now that you have the bracket on, you can screw on your plates. So installation is complete. All you need is a bracket that suits your number plate style. You can screw it straight to the car. Easy.